Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Oh, wish.
Hep hooray. Daddy, join us. Oh, oh blow.
I did it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alam niyo ba kung sino may birthday ngayon? Isa sa mga pioneer ng Team Achievers. Ayan, walang iba si Ate Geng. Ate Geng, happy birthday sa'yo. At sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng kaarawan mo. At more blessing to come. Siyempre, number 1, ang kalusugan, maging malakas ka lagi, at maging masaya pamilya mo at sa ngayong darating na Pasko. Merry Christmas na rin sa inyo, ng buong pamilya mo. At yan, ang sa Tigeng. Isang kabalan yan. Isang kabalan ko na nakilala ko dito sa mundo ng YouTube, di ba? Talagang napaka-lit lang talaga ng mundo na marami kang makikilala na mga kaibigan dito sa YouTube. Yan, sina si Ate Geng. Wish ko sana, yun lang, maging masaya ka at umangat pa ang YouTube channel mo. At marami pang mga luto na kapampangan na ma-share mo sa mga tagapanood mo at sa lahat. Yan, nakakamiss, di ba? Nakakamiss ang mga pagkain ng kapampangan. Number 1 yan na the best na pagkain. Namimiss ko na ngayon eh. Sana pag dumating yung araw na mamit kita na personal, ate, dahil isa lang yung bayan natin, gusto ko makilala kita ng personal. Ayun lang, ate Geng, happy birthday ulit sa'yo, and then God bless.
Ayan, mega love shout out sa ating lahat. Nandito naman kami. May pagkabubudindi ang aking may bahay. At upang bati ang aming kaibigan sa Whitey World na si Ate Geng Kitchen Vlog sa kanyang kaarawan. Ayan, Ate Geng, happy birthday sa iyo. More birthdays to come. At gagaan mo yung sarili at huwag ka masyado magpuyat. Ayan. God bless din sa iyo at sa iyong channel. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jeng. God bless you always and your family also. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating. Enjoy your day, Mommy Jeng. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Ayan. Bye-bye.
Mega love shoutout po sa lahat. Gusto lang po naming batiin si Ate Geng Kitchen Vlog ng
Happy birthday, Ate Geng!
Wishing you more birthdays to come, good health, and
More wealth!
yes, enjoy po Ate Geng sa iyong celebration.
Yes.
At sana marami pang birthday dumating, ano? Tapos enjoy lang. Enjoy
Yes.
lang natin yung life natin, ano?
Yes, we love you, Ate Geng. God bless
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Mega love shoutout to everyone, and especially sa ating birthday celebrant na si Mami Jeng. Ayan, happy birthday to you, Mami Jeng. I'm so thankful na nakilala kita sa Whitey World, and wish ko lang sa'yo na bigyan ka ni Lord ng more birthdays to come, blessings to your family. I know you've got everything in this world. You have a beautiful family. You have a successful career. Ayan. And pinapalibutan ka ng maraming supportive and legit na mga kaibigan. And I am one of them, Charot. I hope na tuloy-tuloy pa yung friendship natin and yung family natin sa Whitey World ay magtatagal pa. Wala na akong ibang masasabi, but stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Ayan. So, Again, happy birthday to you, Mommy Jeng. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you and enjoy the whole birthday to come. And sana stay healthy and fit. Stay free. And yeah, sana lumago pa yung channel mo. You're a very famous person. You're a genuine human being. So, napakabait niyo po. And sana masigilala ka natin yung isa't isa. And I'm glad na nakilala ko kayo sa Team Achiever na nakaadigan ko ngayon. So, yeah, sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo, ate. Love you! Mwah!
1, 2, 3, go! Birthday Naliging! Birthday Naliging! Birthday Naliging! Birthday Naliging! Happy birthday, Kitchen Vlog! Happy birthday, Sis Mami! Happy birthday to you! More blessings to come!
Happy birthday, more power, more blessing, more good
More to you.
health,
Yeah.
more everything.
More to you! More
Everything at
candles
all.
to blow!
Everything at all. More.
Our wish is Artonan. To continue to your life and to your vlogging. And to your vlogging, may your vlog will continue to live. Everything is controlled under.
So, Sis Jing, happy birthday. I love you.
Yeah. We love you. We love,
love
you.
you.
Thank you for the support also,
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes, thank you for the
Support
support.
to us, you support
Sis
to
Jing,
me.
salamat sa lahat. Salamat ng mga ano mo. Basta yung support mo. Love you, Sis Jing.
Sister
From
Jing
Dasuri
from the Suriname
Channel.
channel.
Bye.
Bye.
God bless. Bye. Okay.
Happy birthday, King. More birthdays to come. Sana marami pang blessings na darating sa'yo. Stay healthy. Salamat sa kabaitan mo sa amin at kamatulong mo sa amin. Enjoy your day. God bless. Love, love, love. Happy birthday.
Mega love shoutout Ate King Kitchen. Of course, happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best in life and more happiness, more success, and of course, thank you for being so nice, generous, at isa sa pinakamasipag na admin ng Team Achievers, and hopefully na maging successful lahat ang mga gusto mo sa buhay, and salamat sa pagiging mabait mo. Happy birthday again. Mwah, chup chup. Mwah.
Hello po, mega loud shoutout sa iyo dyan, Happy Gang. Happy birthday po sa iyo dyan. Ayan, more birthday to come. Stay healthy po at lagi pong mag-enjoy sa pagwa-YT. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa suporta na nandiyan po kayo nagipagkulitan kapag nag-LS po ako. Ayan, kahit bumabagyo na po dito, marapit na po si Bagyong Odette. Ayan, ginawa ko po rin po yung video na ito, Ate Gang, para mabati po kita dahil baka maglobot na po ako dahil wala na pong kuryente dito sa amin. Hopefully po malusaw po itong bagyo na to dahil medyo malakas po yung hangin niya. So, ayun po, muli happy birthday, Ate Gang. Maraming salamat po ulit sa suporta. Ayan, stay safe po lagi, mag-iingat at lagi po sana maging malusog ang iyong pamilya, walang sakit at enjoy lang po ang buhay. Ayan, maraming salamat po ulit. Bye-bye!
Hello, what's up? Ayan, mayroon akong babatiin. Si Mami Gang, happy birthday Mami Gang. I wish na marami kang blessing na matanggap. Ayan, sana huwag kang magbabago. Kahit saan ka man pumunta, Mami Gang, salamat sa pag-support sa akin channel. And thank you sa pagbibigay mo ng opportunity para batiin kita sa iyong birthday. I hope na masaya ka. And sana mas marami ka pang revenue sa iyong YouTube channel. At alam ko namang napakasasarap ng iyong mga lutuin. Kaya kapag ikaw ay nagbablog at kapag ikaw ay may premiere, nakakatuwang pagmasdan, nakakagutom lang. Ayan. Thank you po Mami Gang sa lahat ng suporta mo. And again, happy birthday. More blessing to come and more revenue. Ayan. Bye-bye!
Hi, Teacher Ella here, and I just want to say happy birthday, Ate Gang. It's it's your birthday today, Ate Geng. Happy birthday. I wish you sana na magkaroon ka ng good health, happy life, and more blessings, more revenues. So, thank you, Ate Geng, kasi nakilala kita. Dito sa YT, ikaw yung tuturing kong ate talaga. And thank you kasi napaka-supportive mo. And ate, thank you so much sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa ating mga friends mo, mga kapatid mo. Thank you so much, Ate Geng. And God bless. Happy birthday ulit. I love you. Bye-bye.
Oh, back. Ayan na, naligo pa ako, Mami. So, ayan, from Team Achievers, this is Shinli TV. I just want to say happy birthday to you, Mami Jeng. Ayan, sa pinakamabait, pinakamahal kong mami dito sa YouTube world. I just want to say happy birthday, more blessings to come, Mami. And sana po wag ka magpabago sa amin, sa akin. Salamat sa lahat-lahat, Mami. I love you.
Hello, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang batiin ang aking kaibigan na si Ate Geng, aka Geng Kitchen Vlog sa YouTube. Ang masasabi ko lang ay maraming salamat sa pagkakaibigan na ibigay mo. Siya yata yung isa sa mga tao sa naging kaibigan ko sa YouTube nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. So, siya din yung tao na kahit na hindi kayo nag-uusap na madalas, pero para kayong magkapatid kapag kayo ay nasimula ng chika-chika, alam mo yun. So, gusto ko lang mag-thank you and maraming salamat din sa suporta sa aking YouTube channel. And nandito lang ako, ate, pasensya na, late ang aking video greetings. Nalate ako, alam mo naman ako, dami ginagawa, makakalimutin na. But anyway, enjoy your day and sana maraming blessings pa dumating sa iyo kasi may mabuti kang puso. So yun lang, and happy birthday, I love you. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat ako na isa ka sa nakilala ko dito sa YouTube, sa Team Achievers na group. At I'm so very happy and very lucky kasi isa ako sa mga naimbitahan mo na bumati sa birthday mo. Happy birthday. Nung una kitang nakilala, napaka-humble mo. At saka, I feel at home. Ang gaan ng loob ko sa'yo. Na-feel ko na comfortable ako sa'yo. Sa personality mo, the way you talk, the way you comfort people, the way you communicate. Again, Mami Jeng, happy birthday.
Mega love shout out everyone. This is Chinoy's Kitchen. And I just want to greet a very happy birthday to Sisi Ging's Kitchen. Sisi, have a very happy birthday to you. And may all your wishes to come true. And as a YT friend, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana maabot mo pa yung pinaka-aim mo na subscribers, na views, no likes, at saka ng revenue. So, hindi man tayo nagkita ng personal, but then we are just supporting each other and helping each other here in YT World. Malaking bagay na yung nagkakaibigan tayo sa ganitong paraan, although yun nga, virtually lang. So once again, have a very happy birthday to you, Sisi. God bless always and good health. Stay safe. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Geng! Thank you so much po, Ate Geng, for always supporting the Road Sea. I'm so happy po to greet you sa iyong special day. Ayan, so thank you so much, Ate Geng, for always supporting the Road Sea at ang team natin. Thank you po sa pagiging Mami Geng sa aming lahat. Ayan, sana po magbitin po tayo in person. Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Geng. So, I wish you all the best. At syempre po sa iyong YouTube channel, Geng Kitchens Vlog. More blessings to come. More videos and dollars to earn. Ayan, Thank you so much, Ate Gang, from the Lotsi. Happy birthday! Ate Gang, love you. Take care always dyan sa Australia. Love you, Ate Gang. Merry Christmas!
Mega love shoutout sa lahat at have a blessed day to all. Gusto ko lang sana batiin yung pinakamamahal kong Mami Jan. Walang iba kundi si Mami Jen. Mega love shoutout, Mami, at batiin lang sana kita ng isang happy birthday to you, Mami. I'm so lucky to have you, Mami. I'm so lucky na nakilala kita bilang Mami ko sa isang YouTube. Thank you so much, Mommy, for always sharing your blessings to me. Thank you, Mommy. Have a blessed day. More birthdays to come. God bless. Keep safe always. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy, once again. I love you. Mwah.
Mega love shoutout, Mami Jeng. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday, Mami Jeng. More birthdays to come. More birthdays to celebrate. Stay safe and good health sa iyong family, and thank you so much sa mga blessings na sinishare mo, Mami Jeng. Super bait mo, and sana more blessings to come pa. Thank you so much, Mami Jeng. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Mega love shout out sa lahat. Ayan po, for today's video, babatiin ko ang aming pinaka-special na tao sa Pinoy Core. Pinaka-special siya dahil pinaka-masarap magluto, pinaka-mabait, pinaka-matulungin, at pinaka-supportive. Basta lahat ng pinaka-nasa kanya na. Kaya Ate Jen Kitchen Vlog, mega love shout out and happy birthday. I love you, Ate Jen. Thank you for everything. Thanks God that I met you. Alam mo yon, masaya ako kasi nakilala ko kayong lahat. Nagkaroon tayo ng banding sa isa't isa. Masyadong naging close tayo. At mas lalo tayong pinagbuklod dahil ngayong Christmas party. Mas nakilala natin yung isa't isa. Halos everyday tayo magkakausap. So, ayan po. Salamat, Ate Jen Kitchen Vlog, sa napakabuti mong puso. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and God bless you more. I love you.
Hello everyone, this is Smith's Triplets, and I would like to take this opportunity to greet Ate Gang Kitchen's vlog on her birthday today. Happy birthday, Ate Gang. Ayan, I wish you all the best and of course good health, and lagi kang mag-iingat, especially this time, pandemic. Always stay safe, and ayun, just enjoy your family, enjoy the season. Happy.
Hello everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Nandito kami ng aking mga pet kasi babatiin namin si Ate Geng at birthday niya po ngayon. Happy birthday, Ate Geng! Isa sa matulungin na anak ni Tatay Aweng. Happy birthday po! Sana po ay lagi kayong good health. Thank you po sa support. Love, Ate Geng! Happy birthday! God bless you!